Introducing the 2009 Chevrolet Equinox. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. With GM certified, you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 3-day satisfaction guarantee. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.